We've come a long way. Side by side, hand in hand, bridged the gap. You understand, have a plan, meet our needs, our demands. Week by week, 7 days, we can count on you, you see our pain. Found, not lost, less days in a daze. Stumbling, trying to find our way to A&E. No burden, determined to be treated as a person. No rolling eyes by the state of me. Empathy, sympathy, with you here we're taken seriously. You have our backs, take some of the weight on this journey. Until we carry ourselves awake, fresh, rise early, ready to seize the day. It's in our hands, we will shine, each breath divine, taking one step at a time.
It is only when we embrace every piece of us, every mistake, come together in a human way. Step by step we can go any place. Step by step we can go any place.
We've come a long way, it's not been easy. The fight to be heard was absurd, believe me. These spirits know how to diminish our spirits, deceive me. But you finally reached out to help, heal me. As we move, the journey teaches us new escapes. Reading, writing, painting, we create. The imagination entertaining, running, weightlifting, hiking. Endorphins igniting, exciting, inviting. But there's still the tough moments. Life is hard. Depression and guilt, we need to stay on guard. We've been through it, now on our modest march. What we could do with a wallet card. Every day has light but also sees dark. Nurses and doctors, the team, there's less judgment. People think it means education can stop here, but it doesn't. There are still those who raise eyebrows and begrudge us. Stigma's like a parasite, makes me sick to my stomach. At least we don't feel dehumanized. We are treated as humans too, I mean we live human lives. Minute to minute, hour to hour, stride by stride, taking one step at a time.
It is only when we embrace every piece of us, every mistake, come together in a human way. Step by step we can go any place. Step by step we can go any place.
The team go above and beyond, walking with us, singing our song. Always there, quick to respond, a helping hand, knowing we belong. We belong. We've come a long way, we're not left wandering or wondering. We're on a path that used to be thundering. Now the clouds are clear, the light is flickering. You are our comfort blanket, keeping us warm when the storm forms at the break of dawn. If we trip, you break our fall. Hear our call, hear our cries, hear our crisis. You are all priceless. We get back up and rise, yes, on the path that we walk. Beginning with a word, we share, we talk. Up hills, through rivers and trails. Through trials, we persevere, we refuse to fail. Life is not a sprint, it's a marathon. Side by side, step by step, we walk. Until one day, we'll run. Side by side, step by step, we walk. Until one day, we will run.